Welcome back, everyone. I need to finish what fence I got before I start more. So I'm going to put another couple strands like there and there. And this is the shortest stretch of fence that I have. And I'm going to start here because it's right there next to the garage. So let's go ahead and get this going. I need to push that trap up some more because it's, you know what, I'll actually run the top one first and then we'll get to her. And we're done there. Just put all the clips on. Get out. Six wire. Hold her nice and right. And you go over and grab that hose. Now, this was my first solo fencing expedition. So some of these are, well, they've loosened up. Let's just say that. Because I always just used that hand stretcher and went to every wood, and then you're pulling the woods over by pulling the wire. So yeah, I think it helps if you're tied on to something stable rather than the quad when using that crimp stretcher. And that sucks because everything's back here. You gotta like ride the quad back, leave it, walk back, hit the tractor, or like play catch up, run 100 feet, pick this one up, drive this one, back to where you need to be. So yeah, next few vids I'm gonna finish all the fence I got.